If you are looking for the matter on any group discussion, this video is for you. StudyRect presents a group discussion on Will AI replace humans? Dear friends, excellent performance in group discussion is a prerequisite for managerial positions. Here you'll find a script for group discussion on the topic Will AI replace humans? We have four candidates. They are given this topic, they are given to think for 3 minutes and they will come out with their points like this. Candidate 1. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to throw some light on the topic given, that is, will AI replace humans? I strongly disagree with this point. Let us think about the changes that have taken place around us in the past few decades. It's obvious that the internet transmissions have drastically reduced the cost of information transmission. So it is sure that the revolution of artificial intelligence will also reduce the cost of cognition. These companies where the machines and the algorithms are at the center, the work is automated. The humans are actually designing the algorithms and testing them and checking them, making sure they are working within bounds. But the actual transactions and activities are being mediated through the machines. This means that humans are at the core. So it is not the AI which is doing the work, it is humans which are doing the actual work. They are only updating the technology. So there is no possibility that AI can ever replace humans. Second candidate. I beg to disagree with your point, my dear. Just see around you. How many people in various countries are getting laid off, and more industries are now switching and depending on AI for getting their work done. So it means that AI is replacing humans somewhere and it is affecting their employment. Third candidate. Dear ma'am, I want to pay your attention on this fact that when industrial revolution occurred, machines were invented, and particularly I want to throw light on the attack of women on spinning jenny because they feared loss of their job. Now, what had happened after industrial revolution? Opportunities had grown multiple times tremendously, and now also we will see when AI revolution has hit the market, so you will find new avenues and you can incorporate different type of humans in different type of jobs, so there is no need to worry according to me. Second candidate. My dear, don't forget, modern intelligence is capable of wonders which normally humans can't do. It can produce breathtaking original content, poetry, prose, images, music, human faces. It can diagnose some medical conditions more accurately than human physicians. Last year, it produced a solution to the protein folding problem, a grand challenge in biology that has stumped researchers for half a century. Third candidate. It's true to some extent. For example, when we have to use AI for statistical purpose for many tasks, most of the time this statistical approach works remarkably well. But it is not entirely reliable also. It leaves today AI is vulnerable to basic errors that humans would never make. First candidate. I want to add more to my point. AI and human workers differ in their abilities and qualities, making it incorrect to assume that AI will replace human workers. While AI based machines are fast, accurate, and consistently rational, they lack intuition, emotions, and cultural sensitivity, which are crucial qualities that humans possess. Machine intelligence and human intelligence differ from each other due to their ability to learn and make judgments depending on data they are presented with advanced computers are regarded as intelligent. However, human intelligence is different and goes beyond the ability to make information based decisions. AI can be understood as a computer acting and deciding in ways that seem intelligent and mimic human intelligence. So, we can say that this type of intelligence is useful in organizational settings as it can identify patterns in data and perform repetitive tasks without physical exhaustion. But AI's abilities are limited to available data only, while humans can imagine, feel, judge, and adapt according to the changing situations. So, according to me, AI is best suited for repetitive and low level tasks in a closed management system with clear rules. However, human abilities are more versatile, allowing them to shift focus from short term to long term concerns. So, such abilities are unique to humans and do not rely constant flow of external data as with AI. So, in the end, I can conclude that AI can never really replace humans. So, third candidate. So, dear friends, we can nicely conclude that AI will not replace humans, but humans will, with AI skill, will replace the humans who do not have that skills. We have to update our skills and research new avenues to stay in this world. So that's all for this group discussion. I hope you like this video. If you like it, so share it with your friends so they can benefit from this type of group discussion. If you want group discussion on any other topic, please write the topic in the comment box. We will be ready to help you free of cost.